Welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn the derivation of the formula to find the sum of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 etc. n. Here a and t1 is equal to what? 1 and d is the common difference which is also 1 because second term minus first term 2 minus 1 is 1 and nth term is n. So Tn is equal to n. So Sn, sum of the first n natural number is denoted by Sn which is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. n. Now write the Sn formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into T1 plus Tn. Since we know the first term and the last term, we are using this formula. So which is equal to n upon 2 into substitute the value T1 is 1 and Tn is n. So which is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. Therefore, sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 upon 2. Next formula is to find the sum of first n even natural numbers. First n even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 etc. 2n. Now here T1 is what? First term 2 and last term is what? 2n. Now write the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 into T1 plus Tn. Since we know the first term and the last term, we are using this formula. Now substitute the values n upon 2 into now T1 is 2, 2 plus 2n. Now take 2 outside. So when we take 2 outside, here 1 plus n. So n upon 2 into 1 plus n, cancel this 2. So we get n into n plus 1. Now another way to find out this formula is write Sn equal to what? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc. plus 2n. Now since this 2 is common everywhere, take 2 outside. So when we take 2 outside, here just divided by 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n. Now this is what? Sum of first n natural numbers. So just now we have learnt about this formula. So 2 into substitute that formula is what? N into n plus 1 upon 2. Now cancel this 2 and 2, we get n into n plus 1. Also we can find the formula by using the other formula also. Here a is what? First term, that is 2 and d is common difference. So second term minus first term, that is also 2. Now write this formula Sn equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Now substitute the values n upon 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into d is also 2. Now n upon 2 into 2 is what? 4 plus open the bracket 2n minus 2. Now n upon 2 into 4 minus 2 is what? 2 plus 2n. Again this 2 is common, take 2 outside. So you will get 1 plus n. So n upon 2 into 1 plus, I can cancel this 2 and 2, we get n into n plus 1. Therefore sum of first n even natural numbers is what? N into n plus 1. Now next formula is to find out the sum of first n odd natural numbers. Now first n odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5 and since it is odd number, the last number will be 2n minus 1. Here a is equal to T1 is equal to what? 1 and Tn is what? Last term, that is 2n minus 1 and common difference is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. Now since we know the first term and the last term, we use this formula Sn equal to n upon 2 into T1 plus Tn. Now substitute the value n upon 2 into T1 is what? 1 plus Tn is 2n minus 1. Now open the bracket 1 plus 2n minus 1. We can cancel this 1 and minus 1. So we get n upon 2 into 2n. Cancel this 2. We get n into n square. We can use the other formula also. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n upon 2 into a is what? 1 plus n minus 1 into d is what? 2. Substitute the values. N upon 2 into 2 plus, now this is 2n and minus 2. Cancel this 2 and minus 2. We get n upon 2 into 2n. Cancel these two 2's. We'll get n into n square. Therefore, sum of first n odd natural numbers is what? Simply it is n square. So, by using these formulae, we'll solve the exercise sums.